talk to me?
OMG, that is what I just said.
And the little curtains are for your treehouse.